Welcome to the YouTube channel Just Information. I hope you all are fine. In this part, we'll learn chapter Linear Equation part 8, Maths. In this part, we will learn about two questions based on method 1 and method 2 of linear equation in two variables solving. So, our first question based on that is on method 1 means substitution method. Our first question based is 5x plus 8y is equal to 9. 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. So, first of all, this is substitution method. So, we can substitute y also and x also. 5x is equal to, we'll take first equation and we'll make x as the subject. So, this is the first equation, this is second. In that, 5x plus 8y is equal to 9. We'll make x as the subject, so x will be equal to, this was plus 8y, it will transpose and get 9 minus 8y. 5 was in, remaining 5 was in multiplication with x, so it will go in division with RHS. So upon 5. This is the value of x. After that, we will substitute this value in second. 2x plus 3. In second equation, we will substitute this value. The equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. 2 bracket x value is 9 minus 8y upon 5 plus 3y is equal to 4. 2 into 9 is 18 minus 2 into 8y is 16y upon 5 as it is. Remember, when there is any number that both are divisible, like if there is 3 and here is 9, so they can be simplified, so we have to simplify them. But here 2 and 5 can't be simplified, so we will write 5 as it is. Plus 3y is equal to 4. Plus 3y is equal to 4. This will become upon 1 into 5 into 5. We have to make LCM. We have to take LCM and make the denominators equal. So 18 minus 16y plus 15y upon 5 is equal to 4. So 18 minus plus means minus y upon 5 is equal to 4. This 5 will get transposed. 18 minus y is equal to 4 into 5. Minus y is equal to 20. This 18 was in addition, it will go in subtraction. Minus 18. Minus y is equal to 2. Therefore, y is equal to minus 2. In this equation, we have got the value of y and the value is minus 2. Now we have to find the value of x. So we will substitute the value of y in first equation, and after transposing and simplifying, we will get the value of x. So 5x plus 8, value of y is minus 2, so minus 2 as it is equal to 9. 5x plus 8 into minus 2 will become minus 16 is equal to 9. We'll transpose this minus 16. It will get 9 plus 16. 25. 5x is equal to 25 means x is equal to 25 upon 5. 5 ones are 5 fives are. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 5. I hope you've understood how to find the value by substitute method. Your work is you have to cross check this answers. Now we will solve the question based on method 2. So in method 2 our question is, find the value of x and y by solving, and it is x plus y upon 2 minus x minus y upon 3 is equal to 6, and another equation is x minus 3y upon 2 plus x plus 2y upon 4 is equal to 1. First of all, this is first equation and this is second equation. And we have to find the value of an x and y. So, these are in fraction and their LCM is not same. So, first of all, we'll make the LCM same. X plus y minus, and in first equation we'll multiply the whole by 3 and here multiply the whole by 2. So this will become 3x plus 3y minus 2x plus 2y upon 6 is equal to 6. And in second equation we have to multiply only this term by 2, like this. 2x minus 6y plus x plus 2y upon 4 is equal to 1. This and this can be simplified and this can be simplified. So 3x minus 2x is x plus 3y minus 2y, 3y plus 2y is 5y upon 6 is equal to 6. This 6 was in division, it will go in multiplication. X plus 5y is equal to 6 into 6 will become 36. So this will be our third equation, and at this side we can simplify 2x and plus x minus 6y and 2y. 2x plus x is 3x minus 6y plus 2y is 4y upon 4 is equal to 1. 4 was in division, it will go in multiplication. 3x minus 4y is equal to 4 into 1 is 4. So therefore this will be our equation 4. Now we have converted this into the equations. Now we will use the equating method. So I have written them. This is third equation and this is fourth equation. As we know, we have to make the coefficients equal, so it is easy to make the coefficient of x to make equal. So we'll multiply 3 here. Here the coefficient is already equal. So if we'll multiply 1, the answer will be same only. So 3 into x will be 3x plus 5y into 3 will be 15y is equal to 36 into 3 will be 36 into 3 will be 108 108, and the another equation is equal, the coefficient is same, so we'll write it as it is. 3x minus 4y is equal to 4 upon. Now as we know, we have taken the coefficient of x equal, so we have to cancel them. Now we will subtract to cancel them. In subtraction, the sign will get changed. Now this will get cut because plus 3x minus 3x will become 0. Plus 15y plus 4y will become 19y is equal to 108 minus 4, 104. Means y will be 104 by 19. 104 by 19. This is the value of y. In next equation, we'll substitute the value of y. X plus 5 bracket 104 by 19 is equal to 36. So x plus 5 into 104 is 520 upon 19 is equal to 36. We'll transpose this. X is equal to 36 minus 520 upon 19 upon 1 into 19. We have to make the LCM same, so into 19 into 19. X is equal to 36 into 19 is 684 minus 520 upon 19. So therefore the value of x will be, subtraction is 164 upon 19. So therefore the value of x is 164 upon 19. And your work is you have to cross check these answers and see whether they are correct or not. I hope you have understood this whole video and the both concepts. For any queries and doubt, you can join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like, this is the foundation of class 8. We have covered the foundation of class 7th too. The links are given in the description of this video. Thank you for watching.